Monkeys trade bananas. Bananas are valuable because bananas are physical. But what if bananas were digital, invisible bananas? Monkeys still trade, but now with digital bananas. No more physical fruit, just numbers on a screen. That's cryptocurrency. How it works. Digital bananas are stored in baskets, special baskets called wallets. These wallets have secret locks. Only the monkey with the key can open it. When monkeys trade digital bananas, it's recorded. A giant notebook for all trades. But not just one notebook, thousands scattered across the jungle. Every notebook copies every trade. Monkey A sends 2 digital bananas to Monkey B. All notebooks write it down. Can't be erased, can't be changed. This notebook is called blockchain, a chain of blocks. Each block is a page. Every page has new trades. All monkeys can see it. Mining bananas. Digital bananas don't grow on trees. They get mined, not with shovels, with computers. Monkeys solve puzzles. Hard, jungle-sized puzzles. Solve a puzzle. Earn a digital banana. This is called mining. The more puzzles solved, the fewer bananas left. Harder to find. Takes more work. Just like bananas getting picked from all the best trees. Different types of digital bananas. Bitcoin. The first digital banana, biggest, most famous. Monkeys love it. Ethereum. A smarter digital banana, not just trading. Monkeys build things with it like tiny jungle apps. Litecoin. Like Bitcoin, but faster. Quicker trades. Monkeys in a hurry use it. Why monkeys use digital bananas. No middle monkey. Monkeys trade directly, fast, and global. Monkey in one jungle trades with monkey far away. No waiting, no border. Safe, hard to steal. Locked in the secret basket. Transparent. All monkeys can see trades. All in the big notebook. The big idea. Digital bananas not real but valuable. Monkeys trade, buy, sell. No trees needed, just screens. That's cryptocurrency. Bananas, but digital. Welcome to the jungle.